I'm Brooke Williamson. I'm a chef and restaurateur here in Los Angeles. Today we're in my home and I'm hosting a little dinner party for some high school girlfriends. Every time I'm hosting, I do find myself cooking some cut of beef. I think that's because of the versatility of what beef offers. So many different flavors, so many different textures, cooking times. I can smoke, I can braise, I can grill. There's a cut for every occasion. I've been cooking for as long as I can remember. I knew what I wanted to do from an incredibly young age. The rest was really just sort of a path to get there. I love the fact that I can sort of marry the ability to create not only a product, but an experience for people. So I'm using a tri-tip here, and it generally comes from your butcher relatively clean, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I like to have all of those little areas trimmed, and basically this guy is ready to go. I think that one cool thing that I've maintained over the last several years is I have a really tight group of girlfriends who I've been friends with since like 7th grade. And one of us hosts a dinner at our house once a month, and it's our way of maintaining our friendship, but also sharing our lives. And what better way to share what I love to do than to cook for them? Of course, I can't just stop with like one main dish and a side or two. You know, I like to have an assortment of stuff. So my focal point of this dinner tonight really stemmed from the main protein, and I've marinated it in a Korean spiced marinade, and that really sort of dictated the rest of the meal. And to me, the best thing about a traditional Korean meal is the banchan, or the sides. So I've got this kimchi fried rice here, I've got some mushrooms, some corn, lots of complementary flavors to that marinade in the beef. And then this is gonna go to the wood-burning oven to get crispy as soon as my guests get here and we're ready to eat. By putting this into that wood-burning oven, I'm gonna add an element of smokiness that's really gonna emulate the flavors that I want out of a beautifully grilled steak. I've actually just recently gotten really into tri-tip, which is interesting because I'm a California girl and tri-tip is really the showpiece of California barbecue and grilling. But I do find it's the perfect cut of meat to do for a large group of people, you know, just size-wise and ease-wise. It's a quick grilling meat. I can marinate it, infuse a lot of flavor into it ahead of time, and then really just throw it on the grill. From start to finish, we're talking half an hour of work, and then slice it up and feed lots of people in a really impressive way. It really tends to surprise people with how flavorful and tender it can be. I get to cook outside and be with my friends and cook a piece of beef in a really quick, convenient way. But I can also showcase an array of other flavors just by switching up the marinade. I can do that all last minute, let it rest, have a glass of wine, enjoy the company, and then slice it and sit down and eat. Something that my mom taught me that I carry through to this day is what food does for people. And I love the fact that I can now bring that full circle and enjoy those experiences with my friends and provide those experiences for others.